heights. Rastafari, I am the Empress Minen. In our kingly character. Don't think that Empress Minen is weak and feeble. She's stronger than a stammering steeple. One of these days, you're gonna have to say, Morning Queen, light of this world, I came because of you. Oh, praise his name each day. Oh, Jah, care not what they say, nor what they call I this time. Jah is my strength. Iron, higher heights and highest heights. His Majesty's virtues stand the test and trials of time. I am called Rascal.